Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download CapCut in your PC and also use all the pro features for free. So you don't have to download any pirated version or anything. Just you have to go to Google Chrome, and here you have to search for, if you are downloading in Mac, you have to just search for CapCut for Mac older version, or if you are using downloading for Windows, you can just search for CapCut for older version. And then now you have to click on first website. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just go down. Okay, and you have to just download this 1.1.0. this is older version. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just find the download link here. You will see like this. Now you have to just click on it and you can download it. Now if you are using it in outside India, you can just download and start using. If you are using in India, you have to download an VPN for using CapCut. So I will recommend protonvpn.com. Okay, go to protonvpn.com and just click on get proton VPN, and it is available for free. Just click on get proton free, and here you have to just click on continue free, and you can easily just create your account for free, and then you can easily download this proton VPN, and then you have to activate in your Mac. So I'm going to show you how to activate. Now first you have to just enter your email address here and start using, click on start using Proton VPN. Now here you will see thank you for choosing Proton VPN. Okay, creating your account, securing account. Now you have to enter a password here. Okay, you can just enter a password here, continue with this password or choose your own password. So you have to choose your own password. Now enter the password. Okay, and then confirm it here and set new password. Okay, now after that what you have to do, just connect it or active the VPN. Okay, so just click on quick connect. After installing it, quick connect, now you will see connected. Okay, now what you have to do, now you have to install that copycat what you have downloaded, and now I'm going to install it and wait for a few seconds and it will be installed in my Mac, and you can also easily follow this step in your Windows also. Now after that you can use easily copycat all the pro features in your PC. So like this you can use all copycat pro features for free without using any pirated version. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.